The resistivity also depends on the temperature. The formula for resistivity is given by m upon n e square tau. Again, the resistivity is reciprocal to the relaxation time, and relaxation time depends on 1 upon temperature reciprocally. Therefore, the resistivity also depends on temperature directly. Means the resistivity of conductor increases with the temperature. Again, we can give the similar kind of formula, that is rho T, resistivity at T temperature, is resistivity at 0 degrees Celsius into 1 plus alpha into T. This alpha is again the temperature coefficient of resistivity. Which is positive for conductors, negative for semiconductors and insulators. Again, alpha can be calculated as rho T minus rho naught upon rho naught into T. So again we define the temperature coefficient of resistivity by increase in resistivity per unit resistivity per unit degree Celsius temperature. Now for alloys, there is very high value of resistivity. Alloys are just like manganese, Eureka, Constantan, etc. These are used for making standard resistance coils, and the fact is that their resistivity is high. Rho is high for alloys. These are alloys, and their temperature coefficient of resistivity and resistance is very small. Therefore, for a large change in temperature, the resistance remains constant, almost constant, and their contact potential of alloys is very small with copper, and also the resistance is least affected by the condition of atmosphere like moisture, etc. Let us have a look on the graphs. Let us plot the graph for conductor resistivity versus temperature in Kelvin. So this graph is almost non-linear. For nichrome, another nichrome is an alloy of iron, nickel and chromium, and for this the graph resistivity versus temperature comes out to be linear one but slightly increasing. Alpha is small. For this is for nichrome, this is for copper conductor, and now this is for manganese. Rho versus temperature, and this is constant, almost constant. And for semiconductors, see, the graph rho versus temperature, resistivity versus temperature, the resistivity decreases with temperature non-linearly.